Right, you're hanging with GC right here on XBC Jump Off Radio Gunaki, and I'm joined by one of Zimbabwe's finest R&B female R&B artists in Zimbabwe. That's Cindy Romunyai. Cindy, welcome to XBC.
Hi, how are you?
How are you doing?
I'm great. Ayo,
Kudada.
Yeah.
It's good, man. Tapita busy for the past month. We've been trying to call you to Cindy to kumbira interview. But finally, what we are. Thank you so much for giving us time. Right, you know what XB is all about. Fans from everywhere, from Canada, Australia, the States, the K. They want to know, who is Cindy? What are you all about?
Okay, my name is Cindy Onyari. My Shona name is Rufaro, for those who like to use Shona. I've got 2 albums, Kukuda Loving You, the latest one, The Groove Theory. There's just so much happening, I don't even know where to start, like what do I start with? But all I want to say is, firstly, I want to thank XBC for marketing us. These guys have been working flat out, you know, to get us out there. I want to thank all the fans out there for the support. It's been crazy.
Anything, any videos, collaborations with other international, regional artists?
Yeah, a lot of stuff is happening. I don't want to preempt. I want my fans to just move with me and let everything unfold, like step by step.
Yeah.
And I hope to keep their support, and I hope never to disappoint.
A true story.
Yeah.
Okay, I've been asking the same question to every artist that I've been interviewing, and a Sunny and a Diana and a Sniper. They've been saying the same thing. I was asking criticism in I watch channel or I watch MTV base, and I'm watching a lot of artists from Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria doing quite well on MTV base, but I'm not seeing no one from Zimbabwe. That Silero video is an international video. Trust me, I've watched it. I watched it over and over, but it's not there. Where are the sticking points?
I think because we're Zimbabwean.
What does that have to do with our music?
Beef.
Expagorate.
I don't understand what it is with international channels and some music. But I sent Nerudo the video. They approved it. We're going to communicate, and a multi-choice would know it's a good quality video. We're putting it on rotation, but I'd only get, like, once in a while someone and phone it up, I don't want a video, you know, out of South Africa.
Right,
for Stiletto, I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm just going to send it, and they send their message, it's on rotation, and I hope to get heavy rotation. I don't know what it is that you have to do. Do you have to bribe? Do you have to get links? I don't know.
I think someone was also saying it has to do with, Tony G was saying it has to do with connections. You have to be well connected for you to be able to get airplay on such stations.
Well, I'm not connected. Just talented.
Yeah. Because some are arguing, Kutizani, now the music industry is not how good you are, it's who you know. So
it's always been like that.
Yeah.
But let me tell you one thing: if you're good, you're good. If you're not, you're not. No matter who you know, no matter how much you're exposed, you know how much people say, I did it. Even though, baby, I make my mistakes, I wanna love you perfectly. podcast. XBC. Yugnagirwa. Okay, you're gonna watch a rehearsal that I'm going to do. I've never worked with the people I'm working with today, but yeah, we've got an event tomorrow, so I hope it works out. So yeah.
Tick tock, I'm running out of time. You're running late, boy, I'm out of my mind. Tick tock, you are a little late, my love. Yeah. Tick tock, I'm running out of time. You're running late, boy, I'm losing my mind. Tick tock, you are a little late, my love. Yeah. Lava nichingu vandiri pano, nakango mirira iwe. Datondwane kungo netswa netimwe boys. Koi wewe huri kubi, awu chapindura phony.
Now let's do Cindy right now. The man and bag. Wanna see she's about to rehearse the live band and things, so I wanna see how it all goes down, how it works.
Got me stressed.
Defending myself.
Baby, you said that you love me, and that really made me so happy. But baby, why can't we be together forever? You know I'm burning up for you. Oh, I'm burning out, baby. I'm burning out, baby. I'm burning out, baby. I'm burning out. I'm burning out, baby. I'm burning out, baby. I'm burning out. You got me stressed out, 'cause I can't have your love. Baby, you got me stressed out, stressed out, stressed out. Baby, you got me stressed out, 'cause I can't have your love. I'm burning out, baby, I'm burning out. Baby, I'm burning out. I'm burning out, baby, I'm burning out. Baby, I'm burning out. I think that was the other. Baby, you said that you give me a let me give you 10. Baby, you said that you love me, and that really made me so happy. But baby, why can't we be together forever? You know I'm burning out. Yes. Baby, I'm burning out. Baby, I'm burning out.
You only branch out like till the end. That's the right? Okay, the rest is YouTube. Yeah.
You know, Cindy, we could do this, you know, the whole night and everything. But before we shut this thing off,
Yeah.
it's one thing that I love doing. Artists hate this, but I love doing
I
it.
hate it too.
I'm just going to ask you to do a little snippet from any song that you've done before or from the forthcoming projects that you are going to release in the near future. Just a line or two lines or a verse or chorus for any song that you want people out there to know. Who is Cindy? How does she sound like?
You and Mr. Atuguneta Mangwan.
Dine urombo kati tennis. Live on XBC, Cindy Rowe, we are giving us a freestyle.
Oh, now that you say Cindy Rowe, I get back to what I wanted to say. Cindy Rowe is an alter ego. My name is Cindy. Like Cindy.
Like Cindy.
Yeah, Cindy Rowe is like my rap persona. I do
okay.
rap.
Alright, okay.
Do
I know, yeah. Let's do this.
So I've been trying to shake off the Cindy Rowe because that was my rap name, but yeah, it's my alter ego.
And
my
it,
other, yeah.
Too nice, man.
Yeah. I'm
Anyway, this
Cindy
is
now.
prime time. We've got to shut this thing off. But before I do, I just want to do something for your friends in Canada, people from New Zealand who are watching right now.
Okay.
Is she this lazy? How do you record this girl? She's lazy.
Okay. Ndipe ozua ringwechete, one more day to make you smile. Ndipe ozua ringwechete, one more day to make you smile. Zua. Hi, you're watching XPC.
It's been nice, Cindy. Thanks for coming through.
Okay.
Too nice.
Should I come to you? That's